Every day, millions of carton boxes ship worldwide, but the factory ships them flat. So how are they made at industrial scale?
In a smart factory, paper becomes corrugated board, then flat carton box blanks, printed, die-cut, glued, bundled, and shipped.
Carton boxes are manufactured flat to minimize shipping volume and logistics cost. Only sample cartons are erected for quality checks, while mass production remains flat.
Production begins with liner board for surface layers and corrugating medium for the fluted core.
Paper conditioning stabilizes moisture and temperature before high-speed processing.
Automated unwind stands load heavy linerboard rolls safely and precisely.
Auto-splicing replaces paper rolls without stopping production.
Medium paper splicing is synchronized to prevent flute defects.
Linerboard is preheated to improve bonding and reduce warp. Medium paper is conditioned separately for consistent flute formation. Automated web guiding keeps paper layers perfectly aligned. Conditioned paper streams meet at the corrugator to form corrugated carton board. Corrugating rolls shape medium paper into uniform flutes. Controlled heat and pressure ensure consistent flute structure. Starch-based adhesive is metered accurately for strong bonding. Linerboard bonds to flutes to create single-face corrugated board.
The overhead bridge carries the continuous corrugated web smoothly, allowing stable and uninterrupted corrugator operation before laminating.
The double backer forms single-wall corrugated carton board.
In the hot plate section, the continuous corrugated web passes over heated surfaces, allowing starch adhesive to gel.
Warp control keeps corrugated board flat. Cut-off knives size corrugated board sheets accurately.
Sheets are stacked for transfer to converting.
Stack handling replaces simple conveyors between processes.
Controlled feeding ensures accuracy in converting operations.
Sheets are aligned precisely before printing. Flexo printing adds branding and handling information.
Vision systems maintain consistent print alignment.
Printed blanks remain flat for accurate cutting.
Slotting creates functional openings for carton flaps.
Scoring defines clean fold lines for erection.
Fixed edge trim knives cut the carton board edges lengthwise along the conveyor direction, defining the exact final blank width as the board moves forward.
Edge trimming sets exact blank width.
Scrap removal keeps the line clean and stable.
Die cutting forms hand holes and special shapes. Cutting rules must contact material to ensure clean edges. Automated stripping delivers clean carton blanks. Blanks are counted and ordered for bundling.
Glue is applied to create flat, knockdown cartons.
Compression ensures strong joints without erecting cartons.
Stitching reinforces joints for high-load applications. Finished output remains flat carton blanks.
Vision systems inspect every blank in line.
Non-conforming cartons are removed automatically.
Sample erection verifies quality without changing shipping form.
Strength testing confirms performance requirements.
Approved cartons are stacked by order specification. Bundles are strapped for safe handling and transport.
Bundles are labeled for traceability and inventory control. Robots palletize flat cartons efficiently.
Wrapped pallets are protected for storage and transport. Automated vehicles move pallets to storage zones. Automated storage maximizes space utilization. Digital systems track inventory precisely.
Orders are staged for export and delivery.
Automated loading improves safety and efficiency.
Flat cartons maximize container utilization.
Production and logistics operate as one system. Carton manufacturing runs in modular, controlled stages. The final product is a precise flat carton blank. Automation enables stable production, day and night.
Carton box manufacturing is complete, flat for shipping, erected only for verification.